Hey guys, welcome back to Knox Visuals. I'm here with my good friend Mitch today, and we were wondering what kind of video we could make together. And well, Mitch is really good with the cubes of Rube, so he's gonna solve one for you guys today and just give you a little tutorial.
Yeah, so as you can see, we have 6 different cubular devices in front of us here on this lovely table. We have the 3x3 and others. I figured that today,
So let's solve one.
as I was saying, I figured that today the best cube to try to solve is the 3x3 because it's the classic, and also it's the only cube here that's not like total garbage. So basically the first thing you want to do when you're trying to solve a Rubik's Cube is you want to make sure that it's mixed up, because if it's not mixed up, then you can't really solve it. So
May I?
yeah. Okay, thanks. So it looks like we've had quite a thorough mixing here. Maybe you could use a little. Okay, I think that's pretty good now. You know, just to give it a little extra mix.
How do you know when it's mixed enough?
Well, you know when it's mixed enough when you look at like a side, right? If it doesn't have all the same colors on it, like if it's not all one color, that's how you know that your cube is mixed up. So you just got to make sure that all the sides, they all have like the same color on them. That's how you know that that it's mixed.
Yeah, I love Rubik's Cubes.
AJ?